Ready to unlock the secrets of crypto market mastery? We're diving deep into CoinMarketCap, your all-in-one platform for cryptocurrency insights. So let's get started. First, head to CoinMarketCap's website, where you'll immediately see a list of top cryptocurrencies ranked by market capitalization. Click on any cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin or Ethereum, to view its dedicated page. Here, you'll find the price chart, market cap, trading volume, and key metrics like circulating and total supply. Scroll down to explore historical data, analyze past price movements, and identify trends. Want to keep a closer eye on your favorite coins? Create a watch list by clicking the star icon next to each coin to stay updated on the coins you are most interested in. Use the filters and sorting options at the top of the page to refine your search based on market cap, price, or volume. This helps you discover new coins and identify potential investment opportunities. Navigate to the exchanges section to explore different crypto exchanges ranked by trading volume and credibility. This can help you find the right platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Stay informed with the latest crypto news and updates in the news section. This will help you stay up to date on market trends and regulatory changes. Track your portfolio performance by adding your cryptocurrency holdings to CoinMarketCap's portfolio tracker. This allows you to monitor your gains and losses in real time. For advanced users, CoinMarketCap offers an API that allows you to integrate crypto data into your own applications and tools. Download the CoinMarketCap mobile app for on-the-go access to real-time data and market analysis. This way you will always have the data that you need at your fingertips. Use the search bar to quickly find specific cryptocurrencies, exchanges, or ICOs. Customize the platform to your preferences by adjusting the settings to display your local currency, language, and preferred data. Congratulations, you're now equipped to navigate CoinMarketCap like a pro, make informed investment decisions, and stay ahead in the dynamic world of cryptocurrency.